Hello everyone, welcome to episode 8 of series 2 beginners to pro crochet classes. In this video I am going to show you a basic simple heart pattern, how to make a heart in crochet. This is going to be a flat basic heart. This is not going to be stuffed heart. Stuffed heart we are going to cover in series 3 of beginner to pro crochet classes, and for now I want you to practice this flat basic heart, and once you are good with the practice then we can definitely cover the stuffed heart in series 3. So for that I am using this mustard color baby soft yarn, 3.5 mm of hook, pair of scissors. To start we are going to make a magic ring, and into the magic ring we will make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now we will do 2 times yarn over so that we can make 1 triple crochet. So here we will make 1 triple crochet, again 1 more triple crochet and 1 more triple crochet. So 3 triple crochets we will make. Then we will make 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. Okay, then we will do chain 1. So how we started with chain 3, then 3 triple crochets, then 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet, then chain 1. Then again we will make 1 triple crochet here, 1, 2, 3. Then 1 single crochet. We'll follow the same pattern again that we followed to the other side. Chain 1, then 1 half double crochet, then 1 double crochet, then 1 triple crochet, 1 more triple crochet and then 1 more triple crochet. So total 3 triple crochets we'll make here. 3, right? Now we can do chain 1, 2 and 3 this side as well. Insert your hook back into the magic ring and make a slip stitch. Then we'll do chain 1 and cut our yarn here. Now close the magic ring. Like this. And our heart, very basic small heart, is ready. From the back you can simply make 2 to 3 tight knots, 1, 2, and cut the extra yarn. Now our heart is ready, and you can use this heart for crochet cards, or you can paste these hearts, you can make earrings or hair accessories of it. You can again use these accessories to your dresses or baby dresses also. So this is very useful and beautiful heart. I hope you enjoyed learning this heart with me, and in next video we are going to cover a hexagon shape. Okay, so this heart shape is done. We have covered already many shapes like circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Now this is time for hexagon shape, and in next video I'm going to cover that. Before that, before jumping on to the next video, I want you guys to make as many hearts as you can, since this is very simple pattern. So I hope you should not take at this stage only 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes you should take for this one heart, right? So practice as many as you can, and I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.